Alright, we're going to fly the Hobby King Cessna 182. It's got a paint job. It's had a couple crashes. That's why it's got the cracked cowl tape all over it. But it still flies pretty good. Flying with a DX7. It's a stock all except for changed the motor out. It's not necessarily really an upgrade. It's just a Turnigy motor because the motor shaft bent on the original. So it's got a little Turnigy. I think it's a 1600 kV. And I'm running a 7.5 prop, which is a slight upgrade from the original that was like 6.5 by 4.5. Go ahead and start it off. It's not too windy, we should be okay today. Right over the light.
Ah!
So that's the McTwist right there. That's the Malco McTwist.
Lost it until just now when you did your damn McTwist.
You lost it on the McTwist?
Yeah, I lost it at McTwist and lost it for about 15 seconds.
Oh, I'll have to do another. Whoa! Almost did a stop and go on the top of that tree. And what's funny about that tree is it's the same one that ate my Starmax F35. That very tree.
Is that why it's dead? Did you poison it?
I did. For revenge.
And I lost it. There it is.
Hard to follow on that little screen on that.
I know, I need your damn goggles, your goggle visors or whatever.
Chasing the bird. Slow it down a little bit.
Oh, hey, there's a curb there.
Oh, well, I need a little more room, just trying to get it back. And there we go. That's the Cessna 182. It's actually got really good flight time, so I'll fly it a little more. Hand launch.
What precision.
That's actually harder than it looks to land on a road like that.
Hey, because it's so flat.
No, just because it's hard to line it up and actually land. I haven't been flying my whole life. I'm an RC car guy. Original.
Just joking. I like gravel, rocky terrains. It's pretty easy to land on that.
Oh! I hope you got that.
I don't know. That's like the World Trade Center.
That's fantastic.
All of a sudden I heard
and just a wing floating down
and
there.
a bird flies away. Damn bird.
A lonely dove. And that's probably the last flight of the Cessna 182 by Hobby King. No, those foamies are pretty resilient. I'll probably have it back together tonight flying fine. Before I say that, let me look at it.
Please be epic. Well, lost your cone.
Don't care about the cone. The motor mount is the key.
Oh shit.
Oh yeah. Gone. I can fix that with ease though. No big deal. The wing is actually in one piece after that. Those damn light poles. I knew I was going to hit one of those today if I wouldn't have gone for that last flight.
Well, I see your problem.
She should fly okay like that, actually. I'm going to go for one more flight real quick. No, it looks fine, actually. I can fix that tonight, throw a new prop. The motor actually looks okay.
I think you hit that damn thing head on.
I did, obviously. Hell yeah, a little epoxy, I'll be good to go. I'm pretty impressed.
That girl looks hot. She got a hot girl car.
You can tell by her car, she's hot.
Yeah. Or I at least hope.
Alright, now you can cut it.